angry about? What do you think of this sweater? Oh, is that a fashion disaster? Oh my gosh. Oh, it's that bad, huh? What about this one? What about that one? No, not that one either. What else we got? What about this hat? Oh, that's really bad. Who made that bunny hat? What about this bunny hat? Oh no. I don't know who's in charge of these designs. For sure. What about this hat? Does it pass muster? No. What else we got? Well, no on the cowboy outfit. Yoko, fashion queen.